Masters present True Tuesdays. My name is Quentin Coles. I go by the moniker aka Mixmaster Q, aka your favorite bartender's favorite bartender with bartending. This week we got another special edition. We're gonna teach you how to make a Caipirinha. Now let's go over the ingredients that it takes to make a Caipirinha. You need a bottle of cachaça, limes, sugar, and a muddler. Drink out the way, let's make this bad boy. First step in making this drink, we're gonna have to muddle. I sliced up a few limes, and now I'm gonna add 2 scoops of sugar. From here, I'm gonna add some liquid, and now it's muddle time. You like to get the limes open as much as you can. This is gonna bring out the flavor in the drink. I like to hold the glass and just work the limes until I feel like the juices is out. Now we're gonna add ice and 2 ounces of our cachaça. And now we like to stir all our ingredients together. After we get all our ingredients mixed in, now we're gonna garnish with a lime wheel. And that's how you make the perfect Caipirinha. Thank you again for tuning in to another special edition of True Mix Masters present True Tuesdays. This is where we like to bring you a different drink each and every Tuesday. Feel free to look us up on our social media platforms. We on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube. Like and subscribe. Until next week, stay true, my friends.